That's Donya struggling right there.
Struggling.
Yup, look at that. Here, give me this. So, this is going to be the place where they're going to be putting on artificial fake tattoos because it is emo night.
I was thinking you should have like brought some, but you already have some.
Yeah, I already got some. And you put some on you, Donya. Maybe some on your neck, right? By the way, ladies and gentlemen, this is Donya. Donya, she is the owner of 360 Bliss. Today we are collaborating on the event we're having today, which is just going to be a photo booth. So Donya's out here joining us. This is going to be the area we're going to be utilizing. And today we're going to do physical prints. We're going to be doing the audio guest book, basic props, and some lighting. So here, show you guys.
What I love most about the University of Redlands is how they have such inclusive events like Emo Night 2023.
I think Redlands is really interesting. I think it's a very interesting place.
I love Emo Night. It's pretty fun. Bye-bye.